said, you said,
What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We're about to do the impossible today. We gotta put all 4 of these tires, these big 345 tires, into the F80. I don't know if they're gonna fit. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna work, but it has to work because I have no other car to take, and we gotta swap these wheels over to the GTR. And not only are we taking the 4 wheels and tires, we also have to take the lip for the F80 because we're gonna hit the phone too. We actually got a huge mission today. That's what we're gonna do. Try to put these in the car for one. Hopefully they fit. The likeliness of that happening is very low, but put the TEs in the F80, drive the TEs down to Orange County where my GTR is at, swap the wheels off the GTR, put the TEs on. The car is gonna look so sick. But then take my ZE40s, those are the wheels that I have on the car right now, take those wheels off the car and take them to a tire shop to take out the TPMS sensors, because these don't have TPMS sensors, the things that tell you what PSI you have in your tire. These didn't come with them. And if you don't know already, I'm selling the old wheels off the GTR, and those have the TPMS sensors. So I'm gonna swap those over to these wheels and then meet up with the guy so he can buy my old wheels. We have a lot of stuff to do. After we're done with all that tire situation, then we have to head all the way to LA, which is another hour drive. Gotta shoot some content for Joseph, and while we're there, I'm gonna see if they can install the carbon fiber lip for me. And also while we're there, see if they can even help me figure out what's wrong with the clutch. If you guys remember, there's a clutch issue with this car. So yeah, first things first, let's try to put all these 4 wheels and tires into the F80. I doubt it's gonna fit. These are huge, bro. 345s, and they're super fat. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. First things first, we're gonna get all this trash out. I don't even know where all this trash came from. Check this out. Can't believe I still have this. They gave me the crank hub, if you guys remember, that we replaced. So this is the stock crank hub that the F80 came with. As you guys know, we did the upgraded crank hub, so we shouldn't have any issues with that. But you guys know my luck, who knows? Also, guys, comment down below, how do you guys like these longer videos? I've been trying to keep more stuff into the vlog and talk more to you guys, and just make these vlogs longer too. So hope you guys are enjoying it. Oops. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Luckily, these seats fold down, but I still don't think it's gonna be enough. But we'll see. Might have to put one in the front seat, bro. Oh, we might be able to put all of them. Maybe. Alright guys, we got them to all fit somehow. I do not know how. They fit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh my god. Oh! Just don't want it to mess up my seat, so I'm trying to put these towels. But look at that, perfect daily, guys. Alright, now the next issue. Put some more brake fluid in the clutch. I haven't driven this car in a couple days, so I'm pretty sure the clutch is gonna be completely gone, bro. I love how we can close the valves, because the neighbors definitely would hate me, bro, if it was like this. Valvetronic, bro. Valvetronic's the best investment, I'm telling you. For cops, for your neighbors, for everything. Like this, it kind of sounds like a stock F80. But you guys know the drill. We gotta fill this thing up. Definitely there's a leak or something, but like I said, hopefully today Sam can take a look at it at home too, since I'll be there. Now we just pump. Oh, the freaking struggle, bro. And then look, it gets stuck to the floor. Look at that. Can't believe both my cars are broken at the same time. Like, what are the chances, guys? And then while we're down there looking at GTR, I'm gonna talk to homie Chris and see what we're gonna do with the GTR too. The GTR is not cheap though, guys. I already pretty much threw away, as you guys know, like 7 grand. And then I gotta pay to fix it again, bro. I know a lot of people are telling me to sell the car. I talk about it in every video, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm still stuck in selling it and keeping it. Because guys, this is my dream car. I worked my ass off to get the GTR. And when I look back, I look at pictures of my E36, my E92, I literally regret that I sold them. And I already know if I sell a GTR, I'm gonna regret it even more than those BMWs, bro. Because GTR is like literally like a dream car. It's everyone's dream car. You can't lie, when you're a little kid watching Fast and Furious, your dream car was the GTR, bro. Like, everyone wants one, and I literally worked my ass off to get one. And the car's almost paid off too. So it's like, do I sell it or not, or do I just keep it? was talking to a lot of people were telling me like upgrade the gears, but an upgraded gear set's like $7 grand, guys, plus labor. And that's what I keep breaking, different gears. I'm talking to Chris and he's like, bro, honestly, like a lot of cars, even hitting like 1,000 horsepower, are still on stock gears. So I don't understand how your gears are blowing like that. I want to get it fixed properly. But yeah, I've talked to a couple people and like a lot of people are actually running stock gears in their GTR still, in the transmission. And my car's only full bolt-on, so I don't understand why it's happening, but we definitely gotta get it fixed, guys. All right, guys, about to see my GTR for the first time. And I don't know how long. Let's try to get these out of here and put them on the car real quick. We're kind of in a rush, so let's hurry up. All right, guys, we are here back at the shop. The GTR is here. Poor GTR, the blown transmission. But we're swapping the wheels. We already got the fronts on and look how good they look, guys. My car finally has TEs, bro. That shit looks fire. And like I said, the colorway is pretty sick. I like the color on like this wrap, but again, they don't match. If you guys remember, the rear wheels are different colors than the front, so we're gonna have to match them somehow. We gotta powder coat them the same color, but they look sick. Look at that. Sheesh. Bro, that looks crazy. Way better. Damn, it looks so good, bro. That's just fire on TEs. So sad. It looks so good, but you can't drive it. Poor GTR, guys. What do you guys think? You guys like the TEs? Bro, they look sick, bro. Oh my god. You guys can hear the trans all messed up. It's poor transmission, guys. Damn, what do you guys think though? It actually looks so sick. I wish the colors were matching, but I don't know what color we're gonna go with. Yeah, maybe a little spacer on. Yeah. That shit looks fire though. Yeah. Way different. I know. Yeah, I kind of like the lighter shade too. They both look good. Both colorways. I just wish they were matching.
If only they were like the other way around.
I know, then I can rock them on each side. But yeah, this color looks cool. The lighter shade. I'm so used to having black wheels on this car, but that looks sick. This also looks good. They're a little bit different. You guys can tell these are a little darker than that. But both colors look good on the wrap. I don't know, guys. Comment down below, help me out. What wheel color should we do on the car? Should we do black or should we make them like this color? Like a gray. That does look nice, not gonna lie. Maybe do gray on one side and black on the other. I've always wanted to do that setup. So good. I cannot wait to get this car back, guys. I miss it. My GTR. I love the TEs, guys. I've been wanting TEs on this car for so long. We finally got them mounted. Yeah, I really think I might do black on one side and then gray on the other. I really think I'm gonna do it. I know a lot of people call me crazy because I've always wanted to do that, like do different color wheels on each side. You only get to see one side at a time anyways. Like you'll never be able to see both sides at once. So this side will be all black wheels and the other side will be all gray. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Now we got the old wheels in here. We have to go to a tire shop real quick so I can take out the sensors. But you guys see the GTR. The GTR looks so good with the T37s on. We probably won't see the GTR for like another week or two probably. But we are trying to get it fixed, guys. Right now I'm trying to source out a new gear set because now 4th gear went out first, now 5th gear broke. So I'm trying to source out a whole gear set for a stock transmission. Hopefully we can get it back within a week or two, guys, but that's a little update on the GTR. I'm gonna try to hurry up and find a tire shop so we can get these sensors out these wheels. This is the last time you guys will get to see these wheels. It's sad to see them go because they are pretty sick, bro. I actually like these wheels a lot. These and TEs are like the best wheel setups, I think, on GTRs. With the meaty tire setup. And the TEs that we got are literally like the same specs as these. Same tire sizes, same wheel sizes. But yeah, these are literally like my second favorite wheels besides the TEs. And it's sad to see them go. I wish I could keep all of them, but there's no need to have all these wheels in my garage or in storage. And I look, you got the TEs for a steal, guys. I'm actually selling these for more than I got the TEs. So why not? I'm making money on them. That's gonna go toward my transmission rebuild again. And I'm gonna have TEs, so it's gonna be sick. Just waiting for the owner now. Shout out to these guys, they took out the sensors for me. So we can put the sensors back into my TEs. Then also, we were supposed to go to 412 like you guys heard. But last minute, my homie Joey hit me up. Joey, my tattoo artist. He's done all my tattoos on me, except for my knuckles. I went to another guy, but all my other tattoos are done by him, my whole sleeve. He hit me up randomly this morning. He was like, yo, you wanna get tattooed? I have an opening. So I don't know how I can say no. It's probably not the right time to get tattooed and spend money on tattoos. I'm just spending money left and right, but as long as you back it up and work hard, I think it's okay to spoil yourself a little bit. And I think with all the stress, if you guys know, if you guys are tattooed yourself, you guys know the tattoo kind of is a stress relief. Sitting there under the pain, it kind of gets the stress out of your body, bro. So we might stop by and get a new tattoo today, guys. I want to start finishing this arm. Look at all the dirt, bro. Look, you need a shower before we go there, but we might start the sleeve next, guys. Maybe today, so we'll see. First things first, we got to get the owner to pick these up. And then possibly a new tattoo. I was not expecting to get tattooed today when I woke up, but he hit me up and I was like, you know what? I can't say no, bro. And just like that, the old Gtr wheels are gone, guys. Super sad to let them go, but I'm glad we got the TEs finally. And now both cars have TEs. They look so freaking good. I can't wait to take a photo of both the cars together, the Gtr and the F80. Change of plans, we're not going to 412 anymore like I thought we were. So no front lip today, probably do that tomorrow. We got like 20 minutes till we get to the tattoo shop, and we're about to start my other sleeve, guys. If you guys remember, we did this whole arm by my homie Joey. All of this, we got the little angel, we got Jesus, we got the rose, we got the skull, we got a dove. This whole sleeve is pretty much done. So I am super excited to start this sleeve. We have nothing on this arm except for my hands, but also I feel like my mom's name feels like out of place since there's no other tattoos on this arm, so I can't wait to start filling up this arm. We're gonna start with the bottom forearm right here and start the half sleeve already. It's gonna be sick. I already texted him my idea. He's already drawing it up by the time we get there. I told him I want to go from like the wrist all the way maybe past the elbow because I want it to look like I have a sleeve when I wear a shirt like this. And he was like, don't worry, bro, we going big. Past the elbow. So I don't know how much we're gonna tattoo today. Like I said, I did not wake up this morning knowing I was gonna get tattooed, and for me, honestly, the paint doesn't bug me that much, to be honest. I mean, we'll see. It's always new when you first start, but throughout my whole like tattoo little journey of all my tattoos that I have, none of them have made me want to like tap out or anything. Like I can handle the pain. Definitely the most painful tattoo though was my knuckles, especially this one. As you guys can see, there's no meat on these bones, bro, and it literally felt like he was tattooing my bone. It was so bad. The knuckles were definitely the worst tattoo I've ever had, but the arm, it should be easy. So let's go. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys what I have planned for it. It's a little basic, but I feel like nowadays, bro, like everybody has the same tattoo, bro. Like, you can try to get as creative as you want, but there's always gonna be somebody with the same tattoo as you. And I think as long as it looks cool and as long as you like it, go for it, guys. Don't let anyone talk you out of a tattoo. At the end of the day, it's just artwork. Whether it has a really good meaning like my mom's name, or if it's just something that looks cool, just do it, guys. Oh shit! There's an F80 on BBS's. Oh, I gotta slow down, guys. I gotta see this thing. Look at that, guys. Sheesh. What the? It's a girl driving it. There's no way. It's clean. You think it's her car or her boyfriend's car? Comment down below. White F80 with red interior and BBS's, bro. That's fire. And you got the new headlights. Because I love the T's on this car. They look so good, but if I were to get any other wheels, it would definitely be some BBS's. If I were to change out the T's, those are the only other wheels I would do. And we also gotta have some food because I have not ate today. It's already 2:30, and you have to eat before a tattoo, guys, or you're gonna pass out and you're gonna faint. You're probably gonna die. I'm just kidding. But you definitely faint, bro. This is when a right-hand drive car would come in clutch. The in and out thing is on the other side, bro. Oh my god, that shit looks bomb, bro. I can't wait to eat that. We're about to pull up right now. We're almost at tattoo shop. Let's eat this food and then start tattooing. Let's go. We back, guys. Back on the table. This is gonna be crazy. Look at my whole arm is about to be done, guys. He wasn't lying when he said we're about to go big. Look, we're going past my elbow all the way down to my wrist. So as you guys can see, it's Poseidon. Again, like I said, it's probably one of the most basic tattoos that everyone has, but it looks so dope when you get a really good artist to do a really good detailed tattoo. And that's exactly what Joey's about to do. It's gonna come out so sick, watch. But yeah, we're pretty much gonna have 2 sleeves after this. Look at that. Sheesh. Guys, I'm gonna try to film as much as I could. Every time it's hard to film at tattoo shops because the music is loud and we don't wanna get copyrighted out here because we gotta pay for this tattoo at the end of the day. But yeah, I'm so freaking excited, bro. It's gonna look hard, dude. And then eventually, I think we're gonna do probably a lion on the inside. If you guys don't know, Poseidon is like the god of the seas. He's like super powerful, strength. And that's why I think a lion on the inside will be the perfect thing as well, because the lion also represents strength, power, and also like a leader. I like to think of myself as a leader and a king of a jungle. So why do a lion? And on the outside, we're doing a Poseidon. It's gonna look sick. Gonna be here for about, I'm gonna guess, 6 hours. Super late at night, I bet. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. It looks pretty sick. You already know Joey's gonna kill it. We back. Trying to catch up to him, I'm telling you. I'm gonna catch up one day, bro. Got a lot to do. But yeah, like always, guys, if you guys need any tattoos done, I definitely recommend Joey. He's literally done my whole entire sleeve. I'm about to do this whole other sleeve too. And he said a lot of you guys actually came and got tattooed by him. So that's dope. And thank you guys. That's sick. I definitely recommend it, guys. Look at this. Looks sick. Alright guys, we are about, let me see how long it's been. It's been about an hour and a half. We're already halfway, kinda. It's coming out sick. The pain, like a 6 out of 10. It's not that bad, bro. Places it was pretty bad, like that little bone right there, that is painful. But everything else isn't too bad. I'm already tired, guys. I don't know what it is, but when you get tattooed, it literally puts you to sleep. I think like all the adrenaline and obviously the pain, you're kind of tensed up. It all just drains you, drains your energy, bro. But here we go, guys. On to hour number 2. Update number 2. You can see the blood. That shit is bleeding, bro. Look at that. Ew. Definitely getting a little bit more painful the closer we get to the elbow. The elbow is like definitely one of the worst parts of the tattoo. As you guys can see, we got a lot to do on the elbow. I can't believe we're doing this, bro. It's the most spontaneous tattoo ever. He literally hit me up a couple hours ago. And like I said, guys, all this pain, low-key a little bit of a stress relief. Did you know? I think it's like a studied fact that it does help relieve some stress. Nice little therapy right here. From all the stupid car issues that we have. We almost there. Probably like one last break. And then we're done. So fire. My arm is so stiff though. I can't even move it. Almost done. We started at 4, it is now about to be 10. 6 hours in, guys. But yeah, guys, like I said, hit up the homie Joe if you guys need any tattoos. I definitely recommend him. And as you guys can see, the quality is insane, bro. Definitely hit him up. Let him know I sent you guys. It's dope to know that a lot of you guys actually went to him and got tattooed too. So if you guys do hit him up, make sure you guys let him know that I sent you or that you guys came from the vlogs. And maybe he'll hook you up, maybe. He give you that FindingNick special. Also, I was scared to get tattooed and have like a weird tattoo artist talking about random stuff. But Joey's really dope, guys. A lot in common. He has a Gtr, he has an F80. Just like me, we have the same garage setup, bro. But it's dope that my tattoo artist is this good and he also has a Gtr and an F80, bro. Hit him up, guys. You guys can talk about cars while you get tatted. We got it all wrapped up. I'll show you when we get to the house, but this shit is stinging, bro. The whole elbow. But shout out to Joey once again. Getting all my tattoos.
Long day.
One day we could catch up to him. It was a long day. We've been here for like, I don't know, 6 hours? I don't know.
Like 10 at least.
That long? But it looks so fire. I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, guys, we made it back home. I am exhausted. It is 1 in the morning. I still gotta edit this vlog and a phone 2 vlog. They wrapped it up and I'm about to take it off and wash it. I would say washing it after getting a tattoo is probably worse than the actual tattoo. Oh, if you guys have tattoos, you guys know what I mean. Like washing it after, like the first wash is literally more painful than an actual tattoo.
Huge.
I know, honestly, I can't believe it went that big. But I literally told them, guys, I said I wanted to go past my elbow so that when I wear a t-shirt, it looks like I have a full sleeve. So that is why we went so big on it. I don't even know if you guys want to watch this, but maybe you guys do. I don't know. This is what happens after the tattoo, guys. Oh my God. Oh, this shit stinks so bad. But then I use antibacterial soap. Unscented. Because if you put like a scented thing, that shit will hurt. Ooh. This shit is so bad, dude. Aftercare is for the worst pain. Like doing this, oh my God, it's so painful. All right, now you just dab it with paper towels, guys. Don't rub it. You don't want to scratch it. Just dab it. Why do I do this? That's how you feel after. But then once it heals, you're like, damn, I need more tattoos. There it is, the Poseidon tattoo. Comment down below what you guys think. And again, if you guys need any tattoos, hit up the homie Joey. I'll leave his Instagram right here. He's a super dope tattoo artist. A super cool guy too. Like I said, he has a GTR and an F80 too. That's crazy. Hit him up and let him know that I sent you. Maybe he'll hook you up. But it is dope. He told me that a lot of you guys have actually went and got tattooed by him from watching my vlog. So that's freaking sick. Appreciate you guys showing him love, supporting his business too. So that's dope. Anyway, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.